This is purple onions. You can see it. You break it like this. Just try this, you'll see it will work. Then this is honey. Okay. This is pure honey. And this one now is full. Then I have to divide it into two. See it? Then what next? We'll now throw all the onions inside. The onion. Then this is 6 garlic. Put them inside. You have to squeeze the lime juice into the honey. Depends the quantity you are doing. You can use 2 lime, you can use 1 lime. Myself, I'm making use of 1. And after that, then when you are done putting all these ingredients, okay, what you have to do, you close it tightly and leave it for 24 hours. Okay, first thing in the morning, after 24 hours, first thing in the morning, you take 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon like this. Once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening. Anything cough or sore throat or whatever concerning cough will not near you anymore.